What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with another video, and today I'm gonna be going through these sneakers I'm gonna be rocking the most this upcoming fall and winter. Basically my fall and winter sneaker rotation. I did drop a similar video back in the summertime and you guys seem to like that video, so I am going to be talking about, I just narrowed it down to 5, so I'm going to be talking about the 5 sneakers that I will most likely be rocking the most this upcoming fall and winter. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD, and if you enjoy honest sneaker content, definitely hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoy the video. And of course, follow me on IG. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. I do drop a lot of sneaker content on there as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So actually, before I begin, I want to know what you guys are going to be rocking this fall and winter. Definitely drop a list down below, drop a few sneakers that you will be wearing. I know a lot of you guys actually live in much colder temperatures where it's probably snows a lot, rains a lot, and you can't even really rock sneakers. So let me know what you're wearing regardless. I don't know, Timberlands or whatever else you want to rock in the winter. Let me know down below. I luckily live in Berlin where it doesn't really snow at all. It does rain quite a bit, I would say, so you do have to be quite selective of what you're wearing, and I did kind of take that into account when coming up with this list. But now let's get into the video. By the way, these sneakers are in no particular order, but let's get into the first sneaker that I'm going to be rocking this fall, and that is none other than the everyday essential, the New Balance 990s. This one is the V5 version, the newest one that dropped. It doesn't matter, you can rock the V4, the V3. There's very subtle differences. But yeah, this is just an everyday essential. This colorway in particular, I love. This is my favorite colorway, the gray pair. And you can just rock this with anything. This colorway makes it really easy to pair with whatever your outfit is. And also just the reason I call this an everyday essential is just the comfort of this sneaker. I did mention this in my review. I will leave a link to that review up here. I did mention that this sneaker is probably the most comfortable sneaker I own right now. It is just amazing for all day comfort, and especially if you're gonna be just walking all day, like especially if you're traveling or something like that and you're just gonna be walking around a lot. This is just perfect because your feet do not get sore at the end of the day, and this is just really good for that. Yeah, so this one, absolutely everyday essential. This shoe, like when I look at it, it doesn't really give me summer vibes, you know, it's definitely more of like a fall sneaker. And yeah, I love the material, the pigskin suede. Just an absolute classic sneaker, and it had to be on this list, the New Balance 990 V5. Next on the list, and if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you already know that this is my favorite Yeezy ever, and that is the Yeezy 500s. Yes, this is absolutely a perfect fall sneaker. This is the OG colorway, this is the blush colorway, but you can't go wrong with any of the other colorways that came after this sneaker because they all pretty much look identical. There's just very subtle differences, but you can go with any of those sneakers. I think this is just a perfect fall sneaker, and I really love the materials used on this shoe, especially this hairy kind of suede material. If you're wearing like a jacket, like a wool jacket or something like that, like a blazer, or something like that, like these shoes just add a lot of texture to your outfit, and it just gives it like more of an upscale look. And I just love, like the shoe just looks very interesting to me. And yeah, I'm just a huge fan of the 500s. I can't wait to cop that pink pair. I don't know when it's gonna drop, but we did see pictures of those. I'm definitely gonna be copying those. And yeah, the Yeezy 500 absolutely had to be on this list. Next on the list, and now we're getting into some serious heat, I am gonna be rocking the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Now you could even go with the highs because the highs back here do have a very kind of similar colorway, and that is also a very fall colorway, but you guys know I love the lows much more than the highs. You can watch my review for that. I'll also leave a link to it up here. I am a huge fan of the lows. I think that this color combination, the color blocking of the mocha and the black just looks so sick, and I love this oversized white swoosh. This is just an absolutely sick shoe, and you know what? I did say that it's my second favorite release this year after the Sakai's, but it is really kind of creeping up there. I'm not really sure anymore which is my favorite release of the year. I guess you guys will find out when I drop that video at the end of the year. But yeah, I love these sneakers. And of course, like this is totally a fall colorway. You can wear this with, you know, like khaki pants or like beige pants. whatever. Like you can rock this sneaker with a lot of different outfits, with a nice like jacket, leather jacket, black leather jacket. It would look good with this colorway. Yeah, absolutely perfect fall sneaker. Actually, most of Travis's sneakers, he does drop it in kind of these earthy tones that are really easy to rock in the fall. So yeah, huge fan of Travis Scott, huge fan of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Next on the list, we got another Jordan 1. And now guys, in my humble opinion, this is one of the nicest colorways to ever drop for the Jordan 1. And it just doesn't get any love. Nobody talks about this sneaker when it comes to top Jordans ever. And it's just like a really slept on colorway. The resale price is not very high either. But I absolutely love this colorway, and it is just a perfect fall sneaker. And that is none other than the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. This dropped last year, and it's just perfect. It's like in this kind of ginger colorway, and the color blocking is just so clean, and the quality on this sneaker is, at least in my collection, it's probably the best Jordan 1 quality. I don't have too many Jordan 1s, but I love the quality on this. The tumble leather is just really great. Of course, it has a bit of that off-white kind of vibe with these flaps on the top, but I really couldn't care less for those flaps. I never really rock them like that. But you do have that option. And the shoe also comes with these dope red laces that go really well with it somehow. I wouldn't expect it to, but it somehow does. And yeah, just a sick shoe. Of course, like with all, you might have noticed the kind of brownish theme going on in this video. I do really like rocking like brown sneakers, especially in the fall. And yeah, man, I love this Jordan 1. Let me know down below, what do you guys think is the most slept on Jordan 1 colorway? Now, not every single Jordan 1 colorway sells out. Some of them sit. This one didn't really sit. It did sell out, but the resale price was just so low. I managed to cop this for retail, thankfully. And yeah, I love this colorway. I'm sure a lot of people are kind of regretting not copying this, because how can you hate on this shoe? This is such a sick colorway, guys. Yeah, I'm super stoked that I was able to pick this up. But yeah, this sneaker right here, one of my favorite Jordan 1s ever, the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. For the last sneaker on this list, now this one is definitely for those snowy days, those rainy days. When you got weather like that, for me, you definitely need a black sneaker, something that's not gonna get dirty too easily. And if it's triple black, that's even better. And for me, I got these right here, the Nike Shox in this triple black colorway. You can pretty much go with any triple black sneaker, to be honest, but I love the Shox colorway because even though it's triple black, you can really see this crazy silhouette. I did drop a review for this sneaker very recently. I will also leave a link to that up here. You can check that out. But yeah, I mean, you need triple black sneakers, especially in the wintertime. And for me, this is my favorite triple black sneaker right now. I love the comfort on this, and I just love the edginess it adds to your outfit. And just like, it's just such a tough looking shoe. Like, this is just a beast of a shoe. So huge fan of these two. And that's it. That's my list right there. Once again, drop a note in the comments. Tell me what sneakers you guys are gonna be rocking this upcoming month. I would really like to know that. Thank you guys so much, especially all my subscribers, for constantly supporting me, constantly, you know, dropping the comments. I see the same people dropping the comments a lot, so I really appreciate that. Special shout out to a couple of my subscribers, Peter Lyon and also the Costas. Huge shout out to you guys. And also, like I said, follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Make sure you follow your boy. Until next time, guys, peace.